Microsoft Office 365 is a comprehensive suite of productivity tools that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more, all with cloud-based functionality for seamless collaboration. Its integration with OneDrive and SharePoint allows teams to work on documents in real time, making it essential for businesses and professionals. The subscription model ensures regular updates and access to advanced features, but some users find the recurring costs less appealing compared to one-time purchase alternatives. While Office 365 excels in versatility and functionality, some people prefer free alternatives like Google Workspace, which offers similar tools without the need for a paid plan. Nonetheless, for those who rely on professional-grade document creation, data analysis, and presentations, Office 365 remains a dominant force in the productivity software market.